Alrighty. Hey, so we're going to do the guess a number. I'm going to make it a lot more complicated than what he's doing because I think you guys are ready for more than that. So the first thing I'm going to do is public static void guess my number, and I'm going to pass in a number, number to guess, and that's going to be the number the user keeps trying to get. So that let's pretend it's 50. So if I know that as a user, first thing I'm going to do, so I need to tell you, the user, to guess a number. So guess a number. And then we have to do int user guess should equal keyboard. Oh, we need to make a keyboard. So you want to make the keyboard in the parentheses that you're going to use it. So I'm going to do it between here and here. So scanner keyboard equals new scanner system.in. Then I roll over and I import java.util.scanner up here. Okay. Now back to 14. So now we go keyboard dot next int, because our user guess is going to be an integer. All right, so far it prints out guess a number, and then the user enters a number. So now we need to decide, is that guess correct? And if it is, we're done. So if number to guess, remember that is the one that we passed in up here, that's the same as the user guess, we're done. And so we can say, congratulations, system.out.println congrats. All right, and if not, we need to tell it something else. So this is the base case. This is they're correct and we're done. They're incorrect, so we need to do it again. So I'm going to do it again and pass in that same number to guess. So they're guessing the same number each time. All right, so if I do that, I come in, let's run it. Name of our method is guess my number. I'm going to have them guess 50. And let's run that. So guess the number 50. Congrats. All right. 60. 70. 80. Okay, so it's not giving me any feedback unless I get it right. So let's look in this area between these two parentheses and think about a higher and lower. All right, so if we'll describe this, the number to guess is higher than the user's guess, let's print out, let's hopefully get this right, higher. All right, so that's the if. Sorry, I got this kind of moved around. So in the if, we're going to go higher, guess again. All right. Else, we want it to be lower. Okay, so this is all if they got it wrong, and it goes and runs it again. So then you can run that. So guess the number, we'll do 40. No, it works. 45, 55, perfect. All right, so now we have, this all works up and down. we maybe should give him some directions at the top here. So how about guess a number between 1 and 100? All right, so then that runs. Well, what if we make this not be a value, but maybe a variable? So in the reference sheet, I'm going to bring that over here. Down here, we have a random, and it's in the math class. And so I'm going to show you how to use that. It returns a double in the range of 0 to 1. All right, so let's make it be an integer. And we'll call it R. And we'll go math.random. And right now that's between 0 and 1. So if I multiply that by 100, now it's between 0 and 99. Well, a double between 0 and 99. So if I add 1, and if I do one more thing to this, it'll work out. So all of that becomes an int after it does all the math. So we'll send it the R, and now it'll be